Hey guys, how's it going? How to integrate Perplexity AI with Chrome extension. To integrate Perplexity AI like service or similar AI model with Chrome extension, you can follow these general steps. So first of all, you can go to your extensions to your Chrome web store and search for Perplexity and add the Perplexity to your extensions, and basically automatically you're going to be able to identify the extension and basically use it as a search browser, right? And you can use it as your way of finding about a article report while while you browse. So another option that you can do, you can go ahead to Perplexity AI, click your avatar icon at the top, click API, make sure that you set up a payment, and after you set up the payment, use a website like Zapier or Slack or Trello or Asana to basically generate a service where you can manage tasks like handling API requests, right? And then you're gonna be able to basically integrate with other platforms. So this is another option which can be complicated. Use the extension because it's much easier and you can ask anything while you browse, and it doesn't take a lot. You could just download it and add it to your desktop, and you're gonna be able to see the logo of Perplexity AI, and you're gonna be able to use it while you browse. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.